I'm going to set the coffee maker on fire. Yes. I set the coffee maker on fire. Uh-oh, it's my dad.
Tina, how dare you set the coffee maker on fire? That coffee maker costed $500. Now we'll have to buy a new one thanks to you. That's it. You are grounded for 7091731079217310791279107319717 years. Go upstairs to your room now.
Wah 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 wah.